Hi Anusha.
Hi, sir.
Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
getting placed. Okay. So when did you join in CodeGnan?
I joined in February 8th, sir.
February 8th. How do you came to know about CodeGnan?
I came to know about CodeGnan through my friends, sir.
Okay. Are they previously joined in
Yes, sir.
CodeGnan? Okay. Good. So for which program you joined in
I
CodeGnan?
have joined for Python full stack development.
Okay. What's your experience?
Before I don't know how to code, sir. I don't know what will be the programming questions and have to solve.
Okay.
And after joining in CodeGnan, through the help of Pooja ma'am, Anusha ma'am, and Anika ma'am, I came to know about. First, I came to know like how to understand the question and then solving it.
Okay. So have you done the hacker rank certification? Okay. Good. So now which company you got placed?
I have placed in Capgemini,
Capgemini. Okay. What's the package?
4 LPA.
4 LPA. Okay. From which college you are?
I'm from KL University.
Okay. So good. Then what do you suggest for other students who are looking
For
to
all
join?
the people who are looking into a job field and don't know anything about coding, CodeGnan is the best place. They'll start from the scratch and also they'll go to the advanced level with a good explanation.
Okay. Thank you, Anusha. Thank you once again. Congratulations.
Thank you.